Welcome to the Munich Show Mineralientage München. With over 1,250 exhibitors from 56 nations, it counts today as Europe's leading consumer and trade fair for minerals, fossils, gems and jewelry. For almost 50 years now, this event has stood for quality, sophistication and excitement. This year again, we've put together an amazing program for you. The Mineral World shows you nature at its very best. Come and see the most valuable mineral treasures of incredible colors, timeless elegance and natural beauty. At the Gem World you will find everything from wedding rings to fine jewelry to perfectly cut diamonds. More and more people are discovering precious stones as alternative investments. At the Fossil World, the rarest and most beautiful witnesses of the history of evolution await you in real Jurassic Park in the middle of Munich. Where else can you purchase a genuine dinosaur? At the Stone World, you can find inspiring stone design, individual jewelry and everything you need to make jewelry for yourself. Make sure you try the soothing powers of stones. Whether you need a gift or something for yourself, benefit from the attractive trade fair prices. For children and families, we offer a wealth of exciting hands-on activities such as gold panning, fossil splitting and soapstone carving. The Munich Show will be an unforgettable adventure weekend for everyone. The exclusive high-quality special exhibits of worldwide fame have become an integral part and trademark of the Munich Show. In cooperation with leading international museums and prestigious private collectors, we're able to present you this year the African secrets, masterpieces and treasures from this mysterious ancient continent. The Munich Show is far more than just a trade fair. This event takes place from October 26 to 28, 2012 at the new Munich Trade Fair Center. Please note that the first day is reserved for professionals. Just keep up to date by regularly consulting our website at munichshow.com. Discover and experience just how incredibly diverse the Munich Show really is. We look forward to seeing you in Munich.